be everything it was, and this will be.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This is one that came from a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Today we've got one from Tokushima Seifun. This is Kinchan Ramen. Look at the title for what this is. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it is a variety that normally you would find as a rice thing, but this is with a noodle. So instead of han, like gohan, it's main, like ramen. There you go. And here we have noodle, or a solid ingredient. I guess there's like green peas and things in it. That's kind of abnormal, or just not of the norm. This is something that comes from, it's very regional, so you're not going to find it so often. All right. And this, here we go. Ooh. All right. So let's do our 4 minutes. So it's a special day, as it is almost, what do you call it? Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Children are out there running around. I don't know what they're doing. But tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and generally for Thanksgiving, the question is, so what are you thankful for this year? Health, family, of course, those things. And look what I found. Can you count them? Let's count. There's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A 9 banana bunch. That's an omen. It's either a good thing or it means that everything is going to go to hell. So I don't know. I'll give it as a good omen. I like that better. Good things are better than bad things. So yeah. Give us a little stir, why don't we? There we go. And yeah. Hopefully it's not an omen that my feet are gonna fall off. Only good things. We should only hear good things and have good news. Speaking of, it sounds like they made a deal to get some of the hostages out of Gaza. That's a good thing. Like 50 people. I'm sure the other 150 are like, well, can't we make a deal for us too? I don't know. I'm just going to put this in now. It is dry. Yeah, we will see how that goes. Hopefully by the time you see this, all the hostages have been freed. There's peace in the region. And everybody is happy as can possibly humanly be. Is that likely? I don't see like all of a sudden peace in the Middle East. It'd be great. Can't rule it out. Can't say that there's no chance. There's a chance that anything happens. There's a chance that I'll grow wings and fly to the moon and be able to breathe in outer space. Not too likely, but it could happen. But there's been war over there forever, and people who don't like other people, and so, well, I don't know. But yeah, hopefully someday everybody's happy. That'd be good. Oh, but yeah, everybody's freaked out about travel for Thanksgiving. That's in full swing, I guess. We're gonna go up to my ancestral home and eat some soup that my sister's gonna make. Zuppa Toscana. I know it's Italian. We are 0% Italian. But my mom and sister really liked the soup that they had at Olive Garden, so they asked for the recipe, which I think is interesting because I'm pretty sure with the amount of people that they feed at Olive Garden, that soup comes in a bag in the back of a semi-truck. But they gave them a recipe for it. So, and the recipe is way better than the soup that they have. They've changed it around a little bit. So, speaking of soup, we have a broth and a noodle. And here it is. So we will give this a try. I'm playing the playlist again that I generally didn't like before, but it's kind of something different to do. Okay. Yeah. So, I called for 330 milliliters of water. And what I found was that this container that I'm using just really wasn't of the right size for that. So I still had some water left. So I am, come on. I am going for it. I'm just like adding it to the pot now. What are you? Are you fish cake? I don't know. Yep, you are fish. But yeah, with under 330 milliliters of water, way too salty. So I want to see how this is with the correct amount of liquid. I have a feeling the difference was pretty slim, so I'm going to guess this is still going to be quite salty. Yeah, it is. It's not... I won't say this is... Oh, what a terrible thing. No, it's not terrible. It's just kind of on the salty end of the stick. And I want to say that this brand kind of tends to kind of lean that way. Let's give this a try. I'm hoping that I can fit everything I want to fit in here. And more fish cake. That fits. Okay. I've got a couple things to add. A trifecta, if you will. Got some chashu, which I will give a little bit of happiness to. We've got some narutamaki. Do egg this way. There you go. Yeah, you need to stay on there, lid. bit of scallion and a little bit of seed, like so. And yeah. Rotate, rotato, rotate. All right, well, cool. That's it for that one. The next one we got is Meet Me with their Tom Yum Pan Mi. This should be interesting. I'm really curious about it. So, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.